Okay, welcome to all of you, my dear students. In our previous lecture, we will study that what are the similarities between electrostatic force and gravitational forces, and also a basic knowledge or some little discussion about electric field. So, in this lecture, we will study that what is electric field, what is the existence of electric field, and how to test the electric field that at, at any particular position if a one charge is placed here, and how to check the strength of electric field, whatever. Okay, so this is the source charge. Why this is source charge? Because this generates the electric field, and if this charge, source charge, is placed at position O and this is positively charged, so this source charge has some electric field, or is this source charge creates some electrostatic force on other charges. So I take one test charge at point P, that is Q naught. This charge is always taken as positive charge. So if this charge take to near this source charge and there is electrostatic force between these two charges, that is Coulombic forces, so this force in this direction. Why this force in this direction? Because this is the repulsive forces. Why this is repulsive forces? Because source charge is also positive and test charge is also positive, so the force is repulsive. If we take this source charge is this test charge near to the source charge, then there is a electrostatic force. So what is the definite meaning of electric field? An electric field is said to exist at a point if a force of electrical origin is exerted on a stationary charge body placed at that point. Again, an electric field is said to be exist at a point if a force of electrical origin is exerted on a stationary charged body placed at that point. Okay, this is the origin of electrical force, and this force on this test charges which is kept at a particular location P. So इस Q पर इस चार्ज की वजह से क्या होगा? फोर्स लगेगा. ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के रिस्पेक्ट में हमने बात करी है. अगर ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड से इफ वी वांट टू मेजर दिस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन क्वांटिटेटिवली, देन वी can define the electric field or strength of electric field or electric field intensity. Okay, so the electric field intensity is the force exerted or force experienced by the test charge, the force experienced by the test charge. Okay, this is the electric field. So write down this thing. So the definition of electric field, or quantitatively, the electric field or electric intensity or electric field strength. What is electric field strength? Is defined as the force experienced by a unit positive charge placed at that point without disturbing the position of source charge. Okay, the electric field or electric field strength is the force experienced by test charge. How to test the existence of electric field? So we take a test charge, that is Q naught, placed at P, and the force experienced by this test charge Q naught due to source charge Q. And one more thing, without disturbing the position of source charge. you should fix a position of source charge at their location, and you can test the existence of electric field. Okay. Suppose a test charge Q naught is placed at P and experience a force at P. So electric field at P, what is the formula for electric field? E equal to F by Q naught. Electric field equal to F by Q naught. Okay. So if there is a very small charge, then what is the formula for electric field? Write down: for small positive charge electric field, for small charge electric field equal to F upon limit Q naught. Okay, limit Q naught tends to 0, F upon Q, or you have to write F upon Q naught. This is the formula for electric field. Okay. Now, if you want to write the SI unit of electric field, then what is the SI unit of electric field? So you have to write down the SI unit of electric field. What is the SI unit of force? That is Newton. Force is always measured in Newton. And what is the SI unit of electric charge? That is coulombs. So what is the SI unit of electric field? Write down SI unit of electric field. SI unit of electric field is force is measured in Newton and charge is measured in coulomb. So Newton per coulomb, or like this, right? We can write Newton per coulombs. Okay, this is the SI unit of electric field. Now, what is the dimension formula? What is the dimension formula for electric field? What is the dimension formula for electric field? As you learn in your earlier classes, in class 11, dimension formula. So electric field, the force is the product of mass and acceleration. So the dimension formula for force m1 L1 T minus 2, and for charge Q equal to I into T, or current is measured in, what is the SI unit of electric current? That is ampere. So AT. So the dimension formula M1 L1 A minus 1 and T minus 3. This is the dimension formula. Why? Because A, if we take A on numerator side, then A minus 1 and minus n, this is the plus 1 power of T, and if we take at that position, then T minus 3. So dimension formula for electric field M1 L1 T A minus 1 and T minus 3. This is all about the electric field. Okay, one more thing, electric field is the electric field due to point charge. What is the formula for electric field due to point charge? And electric field due to dipole and other things we'll discuss in our next topic. Okay, please write down this.